you see this lineup right here. That is all that I paid for.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a little while and we promised we would try to make a weekly upload schedule for you guys, but with the holidays
we've had some stuff cooking.
But we do have plans to make at least 3 videos today, so you should be good for close to a month. But as you can see, Andy's got a box.
Christmas came early.
It came early, and we're about to...
Can I open them, Dad?
Yeah, you can open them.
Okay, I made sure to blur out my address, because no, you guys can't have that. No. So, what's in these boxes? If you can't tell by the logo, Jack's Wax. You guys know that we love our Jack's Wax. They are a local Columbus company, so we love to support them. They do have some awesome products. So, if you guys didn't pay attention, they ran a Black Friday sale. And what that Black Friday sale consisted of is buy one, get one for pretty much every single product that they had. So if you wanted to buy a ceramic coating, I believe that applied to the buy one, get one. You bought 1 bottle of ceramic coating, you got 1 for free. You bought a gallon of something, you got a gallon of it for free, which is a pretty crazy sale.
That's a pretty good deal.
That's a crazy sale. So your boy stocked up so that we didn't have to do any more orders. Now, the one thing that I will give Jack's Wax credit for is with us being local, if we say Nick and I were going to Cars and Coffee and I needed something right away, if I ordered it by 10 or 11 o'clock that morning, that day, it would be on my doorstep by the time I got home.
That's crazy.
Which is pretty freaking crazy. So I give them a lot of credit for that, but I got tired of doing that. I wanted to stock up a little bit. We'll show you what's going on in here.
That's a lot.
So, what do we have in this box? We'll start with the small stuff. So I went ahead and I haven't tried this before. So Jack's Wax scratch remover. It's supposed to help on swirl marks and things like that. It actually does help with some scratches, but swirl marks are the big thing. So obviously this was buy one, get one. So we got 2 jars of or 2 bottles, I guess, of the scratch remover. This is another new product that I've never tried, but I've heard it works wonders. Water spot remover. And on a black car, you see water spots.
Yeah.
So I'm curious to see how this actually works out. I've never used it before, but I figured buy one, get one was kind of a perfect time to try it out. So we'll see what that stuff does. Now we're getting into the meat and the potatoes. So you guys are familiar with this. You've seen it on our channel plenty of times. I actually already have half a gallon under there already, but we got 2 gallons of super citrus. And for those of you guys that don't know what this is, it is an all-purpose cleaner that can be used on pretty much anything. We love to use this on our wheels and tires. That's kind of the best thing. I think we were both surprised the first time we used it and saw all that dirt just melt off the tires. I can't remember if it was I think it was mine. It was my drag radials that looked brown, and I hit it with this and they were like brand new again. Yeah. So we've got some super citrus in here. This stuff is incredible. I will swear by that till the end of time. This is a new product, not new product, but a new to me product that I haven't used from them before. Interior cleaner. I have used the interior detailer, but I wanted to try out the cleaner to see what it actually does, if it makes more of a difference, because everybody knows cleaner and detailer is different. Detailer makes it a little bit more shiny, kind of shows it off a little bit more, whereas cleaner gets it a little bit cleaner. It doesn't detail it and shine it as much as like a gimmick, if you will. Detailer's a little bit more of a gimmick, I think. So got 2 gallons of this stuff, which sounds kind of crazy, but again, buy one, get one. Might as well get a gallon of it, because I really don't anticipate us going through this anytime in the near future. So we're gonna be stocked for a while. So that's gonna be it for box number 1. You guys can imagine how heavy these boxes are with 4 gallons of supplies in it. Now we've got the smaller box, which is gonna be very similar. And we've got 4 gallons. Jesus. So this one's gonna be a little bit more basic. One of the products I've used before, the other one I haven't. So to start with, one of Jax Wax's best products, Hawaii Shine Detail Spray. I swear by this stuff. One of my old coworkers said he used it. I was always an Adams Polishes guy. As you guys can see, I have some Adams Polishes stuff still over here that I'm kind of going through. I've also got a little mix of Chemical Guys stuff. Nothing against them, I'm just not the biggest fan of their products. I think they're a little bit expensive for what they are. And Adams Polish is kind of the same thing. They make good products, but their prices have gone up, and no retail stores around us sell Adams Polishes. So you have to buy it online and wait for it to ship. Whereas Jax Wax, we don't have to do that. We have a local Columbus store, which is wonderful. But Hawaii Shine Detail Spray makes a humongous difference. This stuff is probably one of the best detail sprays I've ever used. I don't know if you've ever used it before or not, but as you guys can see, I've already got a bottle of it over here. I know I have another one somewhere else. I just don't know, it might be in the car still. But now we have 2 whole gallons of Hawaii Shine Detail Spray. So we're gonna set those out. The next product, this is one that I actually have not tried before, but I feel like you can't go wrong with it, Foam Cannon Soap. From what I have seen, this foams up a lot better than other soaps out there. We've also just been kind of using whatever soap that we could get our hands on for the past couple months. So like Myrtle, for example. We kind of just used, what was this, Griot's Garage. It's another good brand, but we were just using what was available to us. So now we have 2 gallons of Foam Cannon soap. Notice the emphasis on gallons.
And keep in mind, I'm assuming most of this stuff gets diluted.
Some of it can. So like the Cannon soap, yes. I don't know about the detail spray. The detail spray I don't think does. That one's just as it is. So I bought gallons to kind of refill the bottles. Super citrus, depending on how you want to use it and how aggressive you want it to be, you can dilute it. I've never really diluted it. I've always.
Well, my point was being it's going to last a little longer because you don't have to use 100% concentrated version of it if you don't want to.
The thing that we're probably going to eat through the fastest is going to be the super citrus.
Yeah, especially on this girl.
Yeah. Which is again why I bought 2 gallons worth. Now, mind you guys, I should have already had this pulled up, but each one of these had a different price. I want to say the super citrus, the gallon was like $44. This one might have been 30 something. These guys kind of varied. This was, I spent 200, I think 200 something dollars, maybe $220. This was almost $500 worth of product. Because you
That's a pretty good deal.
Because you gotta think, you see
a lot
this
of product.
You see this lineup right here. That is all that I paid for.
Yeah.
When you think about it. I mean, most companies that run sales do a buy one, get one half off. Or something along those lines. To do a buy one, get one free on gallons of product is absolutely insane. I'm not mad that they did it because that was one hell of a sale. Again, that's the biggest reason that I stocked up. Keep an eye out for Jax Wax, guys. They do plenty of sales. Their products are amazing. I swear by them, and I know plenty of other people that do. They will hook you up with whatever you need. They've got it all. So keep a lookout for those sales. Obviously, you can see we got a bunch of product. We already have some stuff over here. We're gonna be showcasing these products a lot more. That's one thing we've never done on this channel, was kind of showcase things. But because we have this project over here, all of these are gonna be used.
For sure. Some of them might even be used this winter as we clean up everything there is to clean up. And So I mean, once we pull that motor, there's going to be a crap ton of gunk under there that we're going to need to let soak. And
super citrus.
So
we'll get to it. But on that note, I think that pretty much wraps up this video. This was kind of a new concept for us. I don't really think that we've ever done unboxing videos before, to be perfectly honest.
Yeah.
I think this might have been one of the
first.
we'd
unbox videos for our Planet install videos, but
yeah, but I don't think we've ever done like a designated unboxing video. So this one was kind of new for us. Hopefully you guys like seeing this stuff. It is stuff that's going to be used in the garage and on the channel. I am going to box it all back up though, because I don't want it to freeze out here until we at least get some heat, some better constant heat.
Yeah.
But keep an eye out for them, guys.